This recipe was shared with me by a French chef. Savory croissants for breakfast that even impress my friend's wife. Cut the croissant in half. Gently expand the center with your fingers. Then use a glass to create the perfect spot for the filling. Place the croissants on a muffin tray, shaping them into little baskets. Now crack 1 egg into each croissant. Season with salt and pepper. Then sprinkle grated yellow cheese on top for added flavor and crunch. Add your favorite ham, bacon, or prosciutto work best. Place the tray in the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 10 minutes. When ready, sprinkle with chopped chives for a fresh aroma and color. Golden, crispy croissants with a creamy, melt-in-your-mouth center. Delicious and full of flavor from every angle. Perfect for a savory breakfast. Definitely give it a try.